Hello kids and parents! Today I'm giving away 5 free black and white colouring pages featuring strong and mighty construction vehicles. Let's take a look at what's inside. Page 1. Bulldozer. Pushing dirt and rocks. What colours will you use? Page 2. Excavator. With a big digging arm, it's ready for action. Page 3. Crane. Tall and strong, lifting heavy things high into the sky. Page 4. Cement mixer. Swirling and spinning. Make it colourful and fun. Page 5. Road roller. Smooths the road flat. Give it your best shades. Grab your crayons, markers or coloured pencils and bring these hard-working machines to life with colour. Download all 5 pages for free using the link in the video description below. Colouring is more than just fun. It helps kids build imagination, focus and creativity.
If you like these coloring pages, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with friends who love coloring too. New free coloring pages every week. So stay tuned and keep coloring. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.